Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our new video. Today I am telling you what is affiliate marketing and which affiliate program is best for beginner. If you want to make money online and if you want to build up your career with affiliate program, then this video is very essential for you. If you are totally new in this marketplace, so don't worry, I will discuss it clearly. So first we want to know what is affiliate marketing, affiliate program. Affiliate program, also called associate program, offer a third party platform that allow individual and brand to find and work with each other. Both parties sign up for this platform, discuss collaboration and start work together. In this platform, both are working is win-win situation. So if we work in this platform, it is very effective for everyone. If you want to start career for affiliate program, please watch this video at least full time and you get more knowledge about affiliate program. Now we want to show which affiliate program is best for beginner. Today we discuss 8 affiliate program for beginner that help to build up a huge money, and you can easily make money online and sell product very easily. That's have nothing much problem and don't have any restriction to get affiliate or associate account. So first, number one affiliate program is Amazon Associate. Everyone, we know the Amazon Associate company. It is the largest company all over the world, and their e-commerce program is widely available and it's very effective, and their product quality is very positive. So if you start career with Amazon Associate, and you can make 10% commission for every sales. It is high and higher profit for you. If you start to make money online with Amazon Associate, you can get a higher amount of money. Now we mark second position is ClickBank. ClickBank is very old and popular affiliate program. It is also a good program for beginner, and they don't have any major restriction to start make money online. It's also you need to have an own website. It is best for you. Now number 3, we discuss the third number of affiliate program. It's eBay Partner Network. eBay Partner Network is also a good for beginner. Easily you can make revenue with selling product. And another very good program is Commission Section or CJ. Everyone know this name, CJ. CJ is one of the largest affiliate program in all over the world. There 1 billion plus monthly customer. It's a huge amount of money, and their annual sales is higher. So 14 billion plus people are engaged annually. So it is a very good program for you if you choose Commission Section or CJ. Another, that's 4 is very effective and very essential for you. Another have some website that's GDF, Impact, Aushin and Rakuten Affiliate. That's are also good if you want to make money online and start your career with affiliate program. Please continue with this program and start to create Amazon Associate account and start to sell product with your website and start to make money online. Thank you very much for this video. Stay connected. Thank you so much.